everybody, welcome to ABC Interactive English. I am Hanny.
Hello everybody, I am Shane.
Hey Shane, you know what?
What?
I recently went to a hair salon and they have a cat and 2 dogs there.
Really?
And when
fun.
Right. You know what? When I sat there waiting for my hair perm 在烫头发的时候 the cat stared at me and then jumped onto my lap.
Wow! Did you pet the cat?
Yes, and it somehow fell asleep on my lap.
Oh, that's so cute.
猫咪就在我腿上睡着了，我就觉得我以后都要来这间店弄头发。
Right. They also allow or have pets like dogs and cats especially in hospitals to help people's mood and their feeling to feel more happy and feel more comfortable. Because sometimes when you're in a hospital, you either feel lonely or scared or
anxious and tense.
If you have an animal that you can pet, it really lifts your spirits up.
没错，人们到医院可能心情都是焦虑不安的，往往都是负面情绪。如果有动物可以给你摸摸的话，可以缓解你的那些负面情绪嘛。
Yeah, as a matter of fact, we're talking about this today where they're having animals in an airport.
In an airport, 连机场都有。
Yes.
Wow! I love to listen to this story.
Okay, let's read the story together.
In 2013, the San Francisco International Airport started a special program. It's called the Wag Brigade. Its members are volunteer therapy animals, and they wear blue vests with the words, "Pet me." The Wag Brigade helps the people at the airport. They may be sad, tired, stressed, or worse. When they pet the therapy animals, all that goes away. They become more at ease. Dogs make up most of the Wag Brigade. However, there's also a cat, pig, and giant rabbit. People can't get enough of the Wag Brigade.
Welcome everyone!
Welcome everyone!
So for this month's Cloze Test, we have an article titled Say Hello
to the Wag Brigade.
老师，这2个字好难哦。什么是
Wag
Brigade?
Okay, so to wag means to move something from side to side repeatedly.
就像尾巴，摇尾巴，或是手指头这样子。No, 这个就是摇动摇摆，所以 wag 就有摇动摇摆意思，它也可以当名词用。老师，那 brigade 是什么？
Okay, a brigade can be a large group of soldiers that is part of an army. Or you can use it to mean just a group of people or animals organized to act together.
所以这个字它可以用在军队里面看，可能可以指向旅这种单位，对不对？然后也可以说用来指说像团啊，或者是队。像如果你有看过 a fire brigade， 它可能就是指消防队的那种意思。好，那什么叫 Wag Brigade？ 如果你看这个文章之前你不懂是什么意思，没关系，我们继续看下去，你就会猜得到它的意思咯。
Okay.
So let's start reading.
Okay. In 2013, the San Francisco International Airport blank a special program.
好，它意思是说2013年旧金山国际机场空格一项特别计划。那么 San Francisco 就是旧金山，离老师的家乡很近吗
？Pretty close, like 6 hours in a car driving.
好远哦。
But America's very big.
一样在加州，可是开车还是要6个小时才能到 LA 洛杉矶。
That's right.
哦，好吧。那这边呢，它是在考我们动词 start 它的时态变化。start 就是开始。那我们就来看看选项吧。
Okay, A, started. B, starts. C, will start. D, is starting.
哦，它这句是在描述过去时间点2013年所发生的事，所以我们是用过去简单式。那答案就是选 A, started. And the correct sentence would be
In 2013, the San Francisco International Airport started a special program.
OK. 好，这边有2个单字。So the first vocabulary word is international.
International. Okay, so international means there's 2 countries, right? And somehow these 2 countries are connected, or we're talking about countries together.
Oh.
So international just means 2 or more countries.
哦，就像 inter 这个字，它有在什么之间，国家跟国家之间，你就可以猜得出 international 是国际性的。
Right.
那下一个单字是 airport。
Okay, so airport is a place where planes land
降落。
and take off, and that has buildings for passengers to wait in.
所以 airport 就是机场。那同学们就知道 international airport 就是国际机场。那如果要说国内机场怎么说？
Domestic airport.
Domestic 它是拼作 domestic， 它就可以形容是国内的本国的。
Right, so we have domestic and international. Right.
国内跟国际。好，那我们继续来看故事文章吧。
Okay, it's called the Wag Brigade.
好，所以这个 special program 它的名字叫 The Wag Brigade。
So we know what these 2 words mean
会摇摆的团队。
separately, but what do they mean together? Okay, let's read. It's blank are volunteer therapy animals, and they wear blue vests with the words "Pet me."
哦，好可爱的感觉。他说，其也就是它的这个空格是志工性质的疗愈动物，它们身上穿着印有“摸摸我”的字样的那种蓝色背心。
Cute.
对，好 ，volunteer 在这边是形容志工性质的 ，therapy animal 表示疗愈动物。这边考我们词汇，来看选项 ，Our options are
A, fans.
就是粉丝、狂热爱好者
B, members.
表示成员，
C, rules.
是指规则。
D, departments.
它可以指部门，像公司部门这样。那语义上来看，它应该就是要说明 Wag Brigade 的成员，就是有志工性质的这种疗愈动物，身上穿着印有“摸摸我”字样的那种蓝色背心。所以呢，这题最适合选项就是 B members 成员。And the correct sentence should read
Its members are volunteer therapy animals, and they wear blue vests with the words "Pet me."
Oh, I'll definitely pet them.
Me too.
好，那我们先来看一下 vest 是什么意思。
Okay, it's a piece of clothing that is worn over a shirt and under a suit jacket.
哦。
Often it has no sleeves and worn maybe for extra warmth.
哦，穿在你的上衣外面，但是在外套里面，那这个东西就是背心咯。Vest 就是背心。好，那么 pet 我们知道是宠物，可是在这里它是当动词哎。
Right, so that means pet means to touch, like a cat or dog, child, etc., with your hand in a way that's loving or friendly.
哦，所以这个 pet 当动词就有抚摸，像摸摸小朋友啊，摸摸狗狗，摸摸猫猫这样子。
I love to pet animals.
好，待会找一只猫给你摸。
Yay!
Anyway, so let's take a break and then we'll continue to read more about this.
I'm gonna find a cat to pet.
Which of the following sentences is correct? We need more volunteers to help the victims. We need more fans to help the victims. The correct sentence is, we need more volunteers to help the victims.
Welcome back.
Hi, everybody.
So now let's learn more about the Wag Brigade.
Okay, the Wag Brigade helps the people at the airport.
帮助机场的人们怎么帮？推行李吗？
That would be pretty cool. Or you can ride the animal to the different country or something. You don't need
去
to
登
go.
机门，有的很远。
Yeah, sometimes it's far. Okay, no,
开
no,
玩
no.
笑。
They may be sad, so the passengers, right? They may be sad, tired, stressed, or worse.
所以他是说机场的人们可能会有这些负面情绪。那么 stressed 在这边它就是形容感到压力的，感到有压力那种。Like you're feeling very worried.
Or very anxious.
焦虑不安的那种感觉。好，那我们来看看可以如何帮助这些人。
Okay, when they pet the therapy animals, blank.
好，句子里面这个 they 指的就是 the people at the airport， 在机场的人们。所以题目意思就是说，当他们抚摸这些疗愈动物时，空格。那这边考我们词组，来看选项。Our options are
A, they don't feel so good.
他们感觉不太好。feel 加形容词是表达说感觉什么状态的。
Okay, B, nothing special happens.
没有什么特别事情发生啊。好，那么 nothing 加形容词就是没有什么怎么样的事，用形容词来描述 nothing。
C, they begin to get mad.
他们开始生气。好 ，begin to do something 就是开始做某事。那你用 get 加形容词可以表达变得怎么样怎么样。
Okay, or D, all that goes away.
全部的负面感受都消失了。Go away 就是消失，所以呢，机场人们去摸那些疗愈动物，相信一定是很疗愈，那个负面感受都消失了。所以最适合的语义就是 D, all that goes away. So the correct sentence would be
When they pet the therapy animals, all that goes away.
我相信一定是 I believe so.
Me too. I want to go to the San Francisco International Airport. Okay, continuing. They become more blank.
题目意思是说他们变得更加怎么样？这有一个空格，那我们来看选项吧。
A, in time.
及时来得及。
B, on call.
随时待命的。
C, at ease.
这是放松自在的。
D, for fun.
为了乐趣。那前一句有说，在摸这些疗愈动物时，所有负面感受都消失嘛？所以语义上来看，应该是要表达说他们变得更轻松，更加轻松自在。所以呢，我们最适合的答案就是 C, at ease. And the correct sentence would be
They become more at ease.
摸一摸就会很放松。
So relaxing.
就不会那么担心太多事情。Right.
Continuing. Dogs blank most of the Wag Brigade.
好，题目意思是狗狗空格动物疗愈团队的大部分。这边考我们片语动词，我们来看选项。Our options are
A, make up.
就是组成、构成。
B, take on.
Take on 有承担、处理的意思。
C, get by.
勉强过活。
D, look out.
它有小心的意思。好，偷偷看到课文下一句，他说不过啊，也有猫、猪和巨大的兔子。那我们可以判断这个题目句子是在说明 Wag Brigade 动物疗愈团队的组成，它的构成，狗狗占了大部分。所以最适合答案是 A, make up 表示组成、构成。And the correct sentence would be
Dogs make up most of the Wag Brigade.
哦
They wag.
wag 狗狗会摇尾巴嘛，所以是摇摇大队。好，那我们继续来看吧。
However, there's also a cat, pig, and giant rabbit.
Oh, I want to touch and pet a giant rabbit.
I want to pet the pig.
The pig?
Yeah, pigs are so cute.
但我喜欢比较 fluffy 毛茸茸的东西，猪没有毛茸茸的。
I like them all.
Alright, so people can't get enough of the Wag Brigade. 那这边我们补充一下 ，A can't get enough of B， 就是 A 觉得 B 再多都不够，也就是 A 非常喜欢 B，A 对 B 不会腻、不会厌倦的意思。
Oh, I love to pet animals so much. Just thinking about it makes me feel relaxed.
可以抱着它们等飞机也不错。
I'm so at ease now, just inside my mind.
好了，老师，我们看完故事了。
Oh, sorry.
You.
Okay, sorry. Okay, that's all the time we have for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
So we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
咬屁股。
要屁屁。
In 2013, the San Francisco International Airport started a special program. It's called the Wag Brigade. Its members are volunteer therapy animals, and they wear blue vests with the words, "Pet me." The Wag Brigade helps the people at the airport. They may be sad, tired, stressed, or worse. When they pet the therapy animals, all that goes away. They become more at ease. Dogs make up most of the Wag Brigade. However, there's also a cat, pig, and giant rabbit. People can't get enough of the Wag Brigade.
大家好，我是 Hanny， 我们又见面喽。那我们来看看这一次的单字。第一个单字是 international。international 它是形容词，形容国际性的。像我们可以说 Taylor Swift is an international superstar。Taylor Swift 是一位国际超级巨星。第二个单字是 airport。airport 就是机场，是一个名词。例如 We stayed at a hotel near the airport. 我们住在机场附近的旅馆。那第三个单字是 vest。vest 是名词，表示背心。我以前都会用这个 V 来记那个背心的领口，那同学们也许也可以这样记。例如 The vest looks good on you. 这件背心你穿起来真好看，你穿这件背心很好看哦。那么第四个单字是 pet。pet 当名词可以指宠物，不过在这边当动词表示抚摸，像是 The cat doesn't like to be petted. 那只猫咪不喜欢被摸。好，那以上是今天的单字，大家多多复习哦。我们下次见，拜拜。
Hey, Shane!
Oh, wow. Like the boots. They're really fashionable and they look really attractive on you.
Nah, they're not as amazing as you make them sound. They're just the work of a French designer and they only cost about $45,000. The designer is so famous that I had to wait for a whole month for them to arrive.
Wait, stop. Humble bragging. That is so annoying.
Today, we're going to introduce a word called humble brag.
So, humble brag is a word formed by combining the words humble and brag. Humble means not considering yourself or your ideas to be as important as other people's.
Humble sounds like a good word. Humble brag must be a good thing, right?
No. Brag means to speak too proudly about what you have done or what you own. Humble brag is when you complain or say you feel embarrassed about something, but you're actually showing off and trying to draw people's attention.
Are there any other ways to say that someone is bragging about themselves?
There's the phrase blow your own trumpet, which means proudly sharing your achievements with others. So for example, I don't mean to blow my own trumpet, but I won first prize in a singing competition.
Seriously? Congratulations! But please stop humble bragging.
Well, that's all for today.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.